Hello friends, welcome to my channel with a new video. Friends, today I have a many colorful of toys here. See, all of toys are brand new. So friends, at first I will introducing with you all of my toys, and next I will hand driving with my hand all of my toys. So at first is a elephant car. See, this is nice color combination elephant car. See this color is red, pink and purple color combination. Wow. Next one is a momentum true car. See, this is very nice momentum true car. See this color is yellow, red, paste and pink color combination. Wow. See this wheel is pink and paste color combination. And next one is a police bike. See, this is a small police bike. Wow, there is a police. See this color, this full body color is yellow and this wheel color is pink. And this light, see this light is red color. And next one is a green bus. See, this is very big size double decker green bus. Wow, this is very nice. This is yellow color, paste color, red color and black color combination. See, there is a Spider-Man sticker. Wow, there is a Spider-Man sticker. And next one is a hand car. See, this is a nice color combination hand car. Wow. See, this full body color is white and this upper side is red. And this hand color is paste color combination. And this wheel is white and pink color combination also. Next one is a Beko truck. See, this is a power Beko truck. Wow, this is big size power Beko truck. Wow, this full body color is red and these glasses are blue color. And this wheel is red and black color combination. Next one is a runner car. See, this is 3D runner car. Wow, this is very nice runner car. See, this upper side is pink color and this body color is peach color and this lower portion and wheel color is black. Wow, this is very nice. So friends, my all of toys introducing with you, and next I will hand driving with my hand all of my toys. So let's go. At first is a elephant car. Wow. Wow friends, I reached my parking place, so I parked. And next one is a momentum true car. So let's go. Wow friends, I reached my parking place, so I parked here besides elephant car. Next one is a police bike with a police. Wow. So let's go. Wow friends, I reached my parking place, so I parked here. And next one is a big size double decker bus. next one is a hand car. Wow, I parked here. And next one is a power Beko truck. So let's go. Wow, friends, I reached my parking place, so I parked here beside sand car. And next one, and last one is a runner car. So let's go. Wow, friends, I parked here. So all of my toys are hand drive. Wow, see? So friends, I will ending my video. See you soon with next time with many colorful of toys.